2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power driver's seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, climate control, side airbag, fog lights, clock, CD player, power windows, power door locks, dual zone climate control, tachometer, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.